One of my favorite juice combos is pineapple and mint, and let me tell you why. Google is going to do you a good job if you search about this, but pineapple is such a good fruit. It's the best for me. I remember when I was pregnant and they told me, it's going to aid in, causing labor and all that. And I didn't listen because this was the only fruit I could take. It makes me feel so good. It makes me feel so fresh and clean. And then the mint adds in the kick. And then the ginger, which usually people do not put in this juice, is one of those things that makes it feel like I'm a serious person. I'm taking my health seriously. And I'm on a diet, some kind of diet type. Yeah, they are there. Anyways, hi guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. Feel at home. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And let me show you how to make one of my best juice combos. We have our mint leaves, clean and fresh. These were from the market. If you have a place where you can grow mint, it's so easy to grow. Just get some bunch from the market and put it in the soil, and it's going to grow like the whole compound because it grows like it crawls. Yeah, so you're going to pluck these off. If you're not that into time wasting, you can just make sure the mint is clean and get the whole bundle and put it in the blender. At the end of the day, you're going to sieve it, but you need to make sure there is no soil in this because sometimes you do not know who grew it or how clean it is, so you need to rinse it the second time. Only leaves this time, so I'm just going to rinse it and make sure it's clean enough for my consumption and take it the other side. Mint has very good effects. It helps you with digestion, helps with combating cold symptoms, and so many others with your skin, breath, a lot of things. So what we have now is a pineapple, and this is how I cut a pineapple. What I do is first cut the side part so that it's able to sit like that, and then cut the top part. It depends on where you come from or how you grew up cutting a pineapple, but this is it. I feel like it's so much easier for me to go against the buds of the pineapple, like cutting, going down gently. It's so easy, and given the fact that this is not fruit that I'm going to eat or serve like on a fruit platter, I don't really need to get all the eyes out. But if you're going to serve it on a buffet or you're going to make a fruit salad, you may need to go deeper and remove all the eyes. Don't take too much flesh, okay? Yeah, but this is for juice, so no ahala really, because at the end of the day I'm going to save it, and then the health experts say it has a lot of fiber, so you don't need to take away a lot of peeling. Why is my daughter crying? And anyways, however she made it here, only God knows, because this studio was not meant for children, but life is the ghetto. Anyways, cut your pineapples into small chunks. You can just put it in if you have a juicer. If you do not have a juicer like me, well, I do have a juicer, but this time around I just preferred to use the blender because it's what is at the studio. So just going to transfer the chopped pineapples, I'm using half of it, into the blender, and then we'll add in the rest of the ingredients as you're going to see. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, why are you doing this to me? This year the goal is at least hit 50,000, and I'm hopeful that we're going to do this. So if you want to be part of this dream, please make sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends, keep your notification bell on so that you do not miss any of our new uploads, which is going to be daily, like almost regularly, because now we have a space where you can freely create and not worry about stuff. So I'm going to add in my ginger, which is my secret ingredient in this combo. Most of the other juices I take outside, it's just sweet. They probably add in syrups and stuff just to make it more attractive and more buyable. But this combo here, right here, healthy and no additives, no sugar, nothing, just water, ginger, pineapples and mint, and you blend and you're good to go. So just put into your blender and blend on high speed, because we do not have a juicer and we do not want to lose most of the chlorophyll staying in the leaves that we are not blended well. So I'm just going to put it on high speed and then basically blend it until it's kind of smooth. For people who take life seriously, yeah, you can drink this at this stage. You call it a smoothie. Yeah, you can add in a banana and call it a smoothie. But if you're not that serious but want to look serious, this is it. The juice is so refreshing, I tell you. It's so fresh and just nice. Save it. If you had a juicer, much better. There are these blenders. They also, when I was buying that blender, there's a blender I saw that has like a sieve inside. All you have to do is put everything in there and it will blend and sieve and it goes the other side. But I don't trust it. I trust my hands. That's why I bought this one. Yeah, and because we are not rich yet, you do not want to lose any juices. Make sure you squeeze it like you are a juicer yourself. Make sure you squeeze all the juice out and you have the remaining like this. Okay, yeah, there you are. Your juice is there. I will not tell you to add in a sweetener unless you want to kill yourself, because this juice is sweet enough. Pineapples are sweet fruits, except the ones that the president talked about that are not sweet in other countries. But if your pineapples are sweet, then you're good to go. Transfer this into your juice jars and keep in the fridge, or you can just serve and drink immediately and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching up until this time, for always showing up for me and, growing this community and making me feel like I can fly. I'll see you soon. Bye.